What's up, guys? Biker Dave here at Golf Cars of Woodstock in Woodstock, Georgia. This is the new 2025 Denago Nomad, and we'll do a walk around of the changes the manufacturer has made to this, but I just want to show you the golf cart bag holders that they're including on some of these, which is sort of ridiculous because a lifted off-road tire golf cart is usually not allowed on most golf courses, but whatever, that's a different story. But they do include some club car-ish bag holders. There's usually a set of 4, here, down here, and down there. And I'm sure some of you are wondering how to work with it, how to adjust it, how to remove it. So you have this little cantilever system here, and you'll just flip it up, and that gives you the ability to slide it. You see, that way you can adjust it how you need. The only thing you might need to slightly adjust this guy with a T15 Torx or a comparable Allen key, but to remove it, all you do is just loosen, once you flipped it up, just loosen this several turns. Don't overdo it, but just loosen it, and then it will come right off. All there is to it. See those hooks right there? To put it back on, you come over and then hook underneath. You sort of push upward on it, and then you'll tighten the same thing right there. Just tighten it until it starts to grab in place. Also, make sure that this little T guy is in place properly, which is, see, it's right in there. It just pokes through, basically. That pokes through, and that's what also gives you some grip when you tighten it down. Before you lock it in place like so, you'll just sort of rotate it clockwise to snug it down, and then you'll lock it down right there, and that'll hold it in place where you want it. And that's all there is to it. There's no tools required. You don't have to unbolt any of this or anything like that. Very easy to do. Like I said, this is Golf Cars of Woodstock in Woodstock, Georgia. We're about 1 mile west of Main Street. We're an authorized Denago club car and star dealer, and we have carts in stock, recently opened at this location. We also have Golf Cars of Canton in Canton, Georgia, where we also sell the same brands. And so check us out. I'll put links in the description, and come check us out. Woodstock, Georgia on Highway 92, 1 mile west of Main Street. Y'all have a great day.